Welcome to 265 Upper Birch Drive, a beautiful contemporary home nestled on over an acre and a half in Bristol, New Hampshire. Inside, you are greeted by a bright, open floor plan with soaring cathedral ceilings and large windows. The kitchen features wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar that flows into the dining area. Just steps away, a charming sunroom provides the perfect spot to relax. The home offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, including a spacious full bath with a double vanity. Downstairs, a full walkout basement provides excellent storage and potential. Outside, a large deck overlooks the private wooded backyard, perfect for entertaining. Located moments from Newfound Lake, this property includes access to 2 sandy town beaches.